The Uganda Development Bank has secured $150 million in funding from the Arab Bank for Economic Development in Africa, BADEA. This is to boost key sectors like agro-processing, infrastructure, health and education. Of this, $100 million will support direct lending, while $50 million targets MSMEs in agriculture and industry.
MSMEs is at the core of BADEA 2030, our strategic framework along key pillars: infrastructure, private sector, and the trade finance, agriculture value chains, and capacity development. Today's signing is an outstanding example of how governments can leverage from BADEA's available instrument from both public and private sector windows, and even from trade finance to advance its social and economic development agenda.
Since its inception, BADEA and other Arab financial institutions have committed close to $2.5 billion to Uganda's development.
This financing is in line with Uganda's National Development Plan number 4, strategic objectives aimed at reducing the cost of credit through UDBL, and the 10-fold growth strategy aimed at expanding the country's GDP from nearly $50 billion, that was 2023, to $50 billion 2040.
After nearly 2 years of extensive consultations and negotiations, parliamentary approval was granted in February 2025 to proceed with the borrowing. Today's signing brings the total BADEA's commitment to Uganda Development Bank to $195 million, and this is a strong signal of their continued confidence in Uganda Development Bank's role as a catalyst for economic development in Uganda.
UDB says this funding will go a long way in realizing the strategic vision from 2025 to 2029. Ronah Nahabwe, NTV Business.